开始跟我讲就行。
YouTube 已经开始了。
你都拿着手机。开始啊？
没说开始就开始啊。
行。
开始吗？
先讲公司的历史。
对啊，先讲历史讲，跟之前一样吗？没事。
然后点开始了。
我现在
3、2。
Hello everyone, welcome to our live show. Here is Sandy from ReHomePad.
This is George from ReHomePad. Welcome to our live show. And today we are talking for our main products for PPR and HTTP, right?
Yes, that's our main products. And first, we would like to introduce our ReHomePad history.
Yeah.
Yes.
And our company name is Shanghai ReHomePad Enterprise Co Limited Group.
Yes.
And we are established in
Since 2002.
2002, yeah.
Yeah, it is quite.
It is a quite a long history, I think. And we are
yes,
a
more than 20
big
years.
factory, yeah. And for a long time, with 20 years.
Yeah, that's right. So it is quite a long history.
Yeah.
And just now you mentioned that our company name is Shanghai Zhuihai Enterprises Coordinate Group, and our brand name is ReHome.
Yeah.
Yes, it means return home and enjoy life.
Yes.
So our ReHomePad is aiming to offer solutions to our customer to make you feel more easy at home.
Yes, and let our customer like in our family, like a big family, I think.
Yes, we are
give you a good service, good after service, good quality, good. I think good service is very important. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. And we just want to be our customers' friends to make them to offer some solutions to them to solve their problems.
Yes.
And just now you mentioned that we were established since 2002, and
yes.
it is more than 20 years.
Yeah.
And our factory starts the first products, that is the PPR.
Yeah, it's very. I think it's very long history for the PPR products.
Yes, and a few years later, to 2002, like in 2004, that we have obtained the Green Building Materials Certificate of the PPR production line.
So we can produce the PPR products in 2004, right?
Yes, and it also a landmark to our company that it is the first time that we have exported our goods to the international market, like Philippines, Singapore, and some other Asian countries.
So we are trading for PPR for foreign. Also in the 2004, a professional supplier for the foreign country trading about it's very long for the 18 years, right?
Yes, that's right.
And we are many experience for the trading goods. Also we have get some certificate, right, for the international certificate, right?
Yeah, exactly. Price is not the most important thing, but also the qualities. So how to measure our quality, how to make sure that ReHomePad is qualified to our customers.
Yes.
So that our company, they have launched some certificates.
Yes. Also we have a technology department, right, for the testing the goods for good quality, right?
Yeah, that's right. And,
And,
we have got some certificates
yeah,
like ISO 9001.
Yeah,
And,
in 2005, right?
yes, because our customers values a lot
Yes, and
to the certificates,
yes.
to the product's quality. So
Yes,
that
we are also developed the PPR anti-battery pipe, right?
yes, that is the update of the normal PPR
The
pipes.
difference for anti-battery and the normal PPR pipe, what's the difference?
Yeah, so for the normal PPR pipe, it only one layer. It
Oh,
is
yeah, yeah,
single layer.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
for the antibacterial pipe, PPR pipe, that is double layer. The inner side is in white color, but the outer side it can be customized. But mostly it is in green or white.
Yeah.
Yeah, and sometimes blue. Yeah, just
Mm.
depends our customers' requirements. So if our customers that you are interested in the customized products, you can leave messages and we will get back to you soon. Yeah.
Yes, and the advantage of the anti-battery pipe is
Mhm.
they can use for more than 20 years, or you know 50 years, right?
Yeah.
More
Yes.
longer than our normal PPR pipe, right?
Yes, in the proper use.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but the antibacterial pipe that it can pure the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can make the water more clean, more healthy to the
And
humans.
our Mexico
Mexico market.
use this anti-battery pipe more popular, I think.
Oh yeah, but the color the color of the PPR pipe in Mexico market that is in dark green. Yeah.
Yeah, dark green. Yeah.
Yes, and
The color is different, right?
yes.
A little bit different.
Yeah, a little bit darker.
Yeah.
And that is our PPR antibacterial production line. And the next that we have launched another production line in 2007, that is our HDPE products.
Yes.
Yeah.
And in 2007, we are passed the ISO 1401 for the certificate, right?
Yeah.
So the ISO certificate, yeah.
Yes. So if our customers that you are interested in our certificates, you can leave messages and we will send what we have to all of you.
Yeah. And we are also in 2007, we are have a new product for PE products, right?
Yes, that's right.
And we are successful launched in the market, right?
Yeah, and in 2014 that we have established our Russian branch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Russian office, branch office, and because the Russian market is very big needed for the PPR material, PPR products for green color. Yeah.
Yeah. So what our leadership they want to do is to expand the market to increase our market sales.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's why we established the branches in Russian market.
Yes.
So, and next, in 2007 and 14, that we also developed the PVCU.
Yeah.
Products.
PVCU pipe and fittings for the American standard and Australian standard, because in 2012 we are with the Disneyland Park, so we are have to put the PVC products to the Disneyland project.
Yeah.
And they used for the PVC products for the American standard. It's very important for them. Because Disney is American company, I think.
Yes.
And they are use American standard. I think is very normal. But in China market, you know, we use also for PVC, we use ISO standard.
Yes, well, that is suitable for the domestic market.
So we are open more for this project, and Australia also we are developed for this market, so we need also open more for the fitting and the pipe for the PVC U products series. Yes, it's very important for the drainage, and also we are getting the Australian standard for the watermark for the PVC.
Yes, watermark is most customer they want this certificate. Yeah. So our company.
If you are develop this market, you must be get this certificate. It's very important for them.
Yes, just now you said you talked about the Shanghai Disneyland project. That is a great achievement to our company. Yeah, it helps us to increase the sales amount and also expand the domestic market and also the overseas market.
Yes.
Yeah, so it is a big improvement to our company.
Yes.
Yes. And in 2016, that we have successfully completed the first phase supply of the Shanghai Disneyland project.
So we use 4 years for this the first phase of this project, right?
Yeah, because the project is very huge. Yeah, so it takes more time, and we need to make sure that everything is settled well.
Yes.
Yeah.
And from now on, we are organized the new sales team for the international focus on the market of the Southeast Asia and the South American market, right?
Yes, so that's who we are because we are the salesman to explore the international market.
Yes.
Yeah, and so far we have sent our goods to.
So Miss Danny, to introduce for the countries, right? Okay. For the market, for the Southeast Asia market.
Yes. Southeast Asia, like Philippines, Singapore, like Thailand, and maybe some South American countries, Mexico, Brazil, and Spain, and
so many countries. I think.
Yeah, quite a lot of countries. So if our customer, our friends share in our live show, if you are interested in our products, in the rehome pipe history, you can leave messages and we will send our introduction file to all of you. Yeah. So I think that's all to know our company history.
Yes.
Yes. So next, maybe we will see. You can see a video that behind us. It is the our company.
Okay.
Our company site. So let's take a video to see our company, our factory, because our office is located in Minhang District, Shanghai, and the factory is quite far from here. So this time we will introduce our factory from the video. So let's take a look.
For our factory of the video. Yes. So you can see this is our gate of the factory, right?
Yeah, and it is a big gate.
Yes, and this is our office.
Yes.
This is a workshop for PE, right? And you can see this is our Chinese name of our company name, right?
Yes, and, it is Shanghai General Enterprises Group.
Yes, for our address and certificate, right?
Yeah.
And for this is PPR workshop. That's workshop, and this is for the stock of the HDP for big size.
Yes, but some of them is just waiting the customer's confirmation for the shipment.
Yes.
Yeah. So we lay out outside.
This is for the domestic market. Yeah, for the government, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. And next is our office, right?
Yeah, this
Oh,
is the
educator, yeah, office.
administrative building.
Yes, and this is our brand. Just we are selling home, right?
Yeah, return home, enjoy
Life.
life.
Yes, this is Chinese name.
Yes.
Yes, this is our employees of the picture of our employees and
Yeah, just some of them, they are just like the water job to
yes,
come together to combine our home packs.
yes,
Yeah.
and
So you
we
can
have
see,
many employees for about 140 employees with officer and officers and our
workers.
workers. Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is our local market
Yes.
department.
Yes.
Domestic market.
And here comes the PPR workshop, the production
Yes.
line of the PPR.
Yes, this is our PPR material stock, right?
Yes.
PPR material stock. And this is import from Dubai, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
The brand, the raw material brand name is Garage.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you can see the
Raw material
with color granule, yeah. And mix it and we are ready to produce the PPR pipe, right?
Yeah. So for the PPR pipes, we use 100% virgin material.
Yes, we are using the 100% raw material, and we are insured, yeah. And you can see, so we use the white new granule, right?
Yes.
And with our PPR material, so they are melting or used for the model.
Yeah.
Yes, and after melting, we are cooling the PPR pipe with cold water. You can see cooling it with cold water. And the next is our marking for the PPR pipe.
Yes, it's printing.
You can see this is our like the many information of the about the size, about the thickness, about the pressure rate and the CRS and the other like 4 meter per piece, right?
Yes, we will show the specifications.
Yes,
of
also
the
have a
pipes.
standard.
Yes. Later we will show the details to you. Yeah, and like George said, the pipes will be cut into 4 meter per pieces.
And we are packaged for the PPR pipe, right?
Yes, in the plastic bag.
Plastic
So
bag.
our workers, they are doing the package. And here comes the antibacterial PPR pipes in purple, and this is the PPR fittings.
So we have
22.
PPR fitting machine, right?
Yes.
And the PPR pipe?
For the PPR pipes, there are 8.
8, okay. Yeah. And this is
the automatic machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, to doing the fitting.
So we have
be cut itself.
Yes, they have we have two piece, right? And
yeah, but with the PPR fitting set with metal parts, it needs to be done by manual.
Yes.
And here comes the PE workshop. And later, George and Lawrence will introduce PE production line to all of you. So if you are interested in, please leave messages and don't leave, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so after seeing the PE products, here comes the lavatory.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see.
Yes, and we are now talking for the technology department, right? And you can see this is our testing items. Uh, we need to use many uh,
Yes.
testing for the PPR pipe and the fittings
Mhm.
and HDP pipe and fittings and test it and use many times I think to uh, provide this if okay, right?
Yeah, because some of our customers they are far away from Shanghai, from our factory, and they want to test how if Rehome Pipe is qualified or not. So they will invite the third party like SGS, ITS, or VV to
yes.
come to our factory to have a testing. Yeah, so actually Rehome Pipe is uh, participated some activities with the third testing party before. So if you are interested in our products, we can discuss later about the third party verification.
Yes.
Yeah. And here is the samples of our PPR pipes.
Yes, for every month.
Yeah, per month and
So you can see we are ship many goods to our customer, right?
yes, it is left from the bulk.
Yes.
So every time when before the bulk is shipped, we will have tested the bulk samples to make sure that everything is okay and our product is qualified. So our customers they don't need to worry the
For the quality, right?
yes.
And many customers will don't go to our factory to test the goods to
Mhm.
look their goods, right?
Yeah.
Because it's very far and they also take a picture to him to check.
Yes, yes. And if
And
our customers require for the inner report, then we will ask our laboratory.
yes.
Yes, they will issue one for our customers.
Yes.
Mhm. So here's laboratory.
Okay, this is for the PVC pipe stock for
Yeah.
our also for our foreign country customers for the PVC for the water supply for the drainage for the electric protection.
Uh-huh.
Yes, for the wire for the cable protection. Yes.
Yes.
And this is for the HDPE stock for the water for the drainage, right?
Yes. So there are quite a lot of sizes of them, and this is the
This is for our PPR fittings for the stock, right?
yeah the warehouse and
This is for the PPR pipe stock of the warehouse.
Yeah.
And this is our simple room for the many we get the domestic and foreign international certificate rights.
Yes.
So we are getting many certificates rights.
Yes, because we are our company that if we want to expand our market sales amount, we need to make sure that the product is qualified and it is suitable for our customers. So we
Yes.
need to do quite a lot of certificates.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is for the indoor system, right? For the PPR hot and cold water system.
Yes, we have some. We will show a system in our
Yes,
office later.
later, right?
Yeah.
And you can see for the PVC protection the wire for our indoor lights.
Yeah. Yes.
And this is for the washroom, right?
Yeah.
Washroom with our PRT pipe and the PPR pipe, right?
Yes. Yes.
For many color of the PPR pipe and fittings and our PRT pipe. and you can see many color of the PERT pipe.
Yeah, we can customize. So that is the video of
And
our
the
factory.
video, yes.
Yes, and we sincerely hope that our customer can come to our factory to have a look.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, after that everything is recovered. Yeah. So that is the video of our factory. If our friends in our lab show that you are interested in this video, you can leave messages and we will send it to you. Okay? Yeah. Any problems, come to Rehome Pep and they will offer suggestions, offer solutions to all of you. Yeah. No worries. And just now we have see the production line of our PPR products. Yeah. So next, we will introduce the PPR raw material.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So this is the raw material.
And I will open it and show our customer.
Yeah, it is very clean.
Yes.
Yeah, and it is transparent. So this material is imported from Barrage, Dubai.
So if our customer need many color, we can use many color annual.
Yes,
Yes.
color granule.
Granule, yeah.
Yes, color granule to our customers. So normally it is in
Green,
green.
yes.
Yes. So I will show to our customers. So you can take a look. So this is the green color granule. So when we want to produce the PPR products, we will mix the granule the raw material and the green granule.
Yes.
To come out with it, and then it will come out into the PPR pipes.
Yes.
Yes, and just now we said that we are manufacturer, we are not traders, so we can customize what our customers' requirements.
This is the blue.
Yeah, this
Blue
is
color for our Brazil market, right?
yes. Blue is for Brazil market. Maybe the customers from there they are fond of sea. Yeah, I think
Yes,
it's the
yes.
culture.
Yes,
Culture differences that Brazil friends they like the blue color.
Yes.
Yeah. So if our customers you need the customized products, you can leave messages and we will get back to you with details. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the raw material.
Yeah.
Yes. And then later we will show you the PPR pipes.
Yes, PPR pipe.
Yes. So let me check with. So let me check with the PPR pipes.
Yes, PPR pipe. You can see the PPR pipe for our customer. Okay.
Yes. So.
You can see for this.
Okay, it's fine. So you can see the size of these two pipes is the
Yes.
same.
And I want to say this one pipe is for the cold water, the other for the hot water. Right? Why I can say it quickly to distinguish which one is our for the cold water, which one is for the hot water.
Yeah, I guess that you can distinguish it very quickly is because of the lines. In my hand, there's two pipes, and you can see it closely. You can see on my hand, this one is in red color, but here this one is in white line. So George just now distinguished it very quickly. It's because of the lines. The red line is for hot water, but the white line is for cold water. So that's the differences. And you can also distinguish it from the wall thickness. In the pipe set with white color, the wall thickness is thinner, but the pipes with red color, the wall thickness is thicker. So you can distinguish distinguish it from the wall thickness as well. So you can check there's more details on the pipes, and you can see um, the printings. First is Rehome, that is return home and enjoy life, is our Rehome logo. And PPR pipe, that is the raw material PPR. And the S2.5 is PN20, that is the pressure rate. And also the size is 25 and 4.2 millimeter, that is for the wall thickness. DIN 8077 and 8078, that is the standard, is the Germany standard. Okay, welcome our new friends come to our live show. And here is our PPR pipes. We are talking about the specifications. If you need them, if you don't need this mark and you want to customize the mark, is acceptable. You just need to tell us what you need, so we will customize for you. Yeah, so this is the details of our PPR pipes. I wish all of you is clear. So if you have any questions, leave messages and we will answer you soon, okay? Yeah, so this is our PPR pipes.
Yes, and thank you for the Miss Sandy to distinguish for the PPR hot water pipe and cold water, right? And
Yes.
the thickness is different, right?
Yes, just now we mentioned that the thickness, it can also be distinguished from the thickness also. Yeah,
Yes.
if the wall thickness is thicker, so it may suitable for the cold water, because hot water, because the temperature is very high, so it is required that the wall thickness is thicker.
Yes.
Mhm.
And so we are just introduced for the PPR pipe. So next we are introduced for the PPR fittings.
Yes.
First
Mhm.
we are introduced for the PPR or plastic fittings, right?
Yeah, so as for the PPR fittings, there are two types. One is that the PPR fittings is all plastic. What it means that all plastic, it means that there is no metal parts of these products, of these fittings. But the other types is that the PPR fittings, the plastic part with the metal parts. You can see there is brass inside. So there is two types of the PPR fittings.
Yes, and we are just now talking for the easy fittings like the uh 40 45 uh 45 elbow, right?
Yes.
And this is for the unequal
Mhm.
90-degree elbows, right?
Yes, unequal, it means that the size of each
It's
side
different.
is
For this, you can
not
see
the same.
this. Yeah. The size this is for the 32. This is for the 25. So it's different size.
Yes.
Yes.
So it is unequal.
Yes.
Mhm.
Also, this is a coupling. Coupling is very important. It's very easy. Fittings. You can see the size is the same. Yes. And this is for the unequal coupling. Right?
Yeah. Yes, the
Also,
size of the each
yeah.
spaces is
Yes.
different.
Also, we call this for the reducer, right?
Yes,
Yes.
that's right. Different countries have different name of the products.
Yes. And
Yeah, I think most quickly to help our customer to confirm what products they need is to send the pictures for them to them
Yes.
for the confirmation.
Yes, for this is unequal T.
Yes.
Yes, you can see this is for equal T. You can see it's what's the difference is for the this middle of this is different to for the this one, right? It's different. So unequal T is only for the middle of the tip, right?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
that's
and
right.
we can also see for this is very strange called cross for the PPR material, right? And you can see for this is DN25. Yes, it's very I think it's very strange abnormal feelings for our customer. Yes, you can see this is a very simple, very normal fittings for the 90-degree elbow. Yes.
Yes, and each fittings there is Renham logos on them,
Yes.
and there is the we'll mention the specification
Yes.
like the material.
Each fittings we are marking for our rehome and our size, right, and also our PPR material and S series for the pressure rate, right? Yes, every fittings have this logo, I think.
Yes.
And next is our end cap. Yes, I think it's very easy.
The end cap, I think.
How to use for this, and you can see use this is
Yes.
this is for the 32 but my pipe is the size is 25, so
it is not matches,
yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah, so it needs to the pipes and the fittings that you use.
Stop the water. Yeah. The only the
Yes.
end cap only the use of the end cap only for the stop the liquid stop the water liquid.
Yes, yes, that's right.
And the next is our 90 90-degree bend. It's a new product. Yeah, and we are open for this. I think it's for our local customer. They needed it.
Yeah. I
And
actually I want to.
It's
I
different
want to
for
know,
the.
Yes.
for-
What's the differences of this bend and the 90-degree elbow? I think they are at the same function.
I think they can this tip can have a big pressure rate for water. I think
Yes.
so. Use this is also our designer used this wanted to this.
Yes.
So many products I think they are needed for our designer.
Okay.
Yeah. So many. I think they are open more for this. I think it have reasons why they are exist. Right?
Yeah, that's right. And so if our customers, you have any questions about our fittings, you can leave messages.
Yes.
Yeah. And later, I have noticed this one that is the like letter Y
Like
or letter
like
R.
a T. I think like this T, but
Yeah.
it's different for this one. Right?
Degree is not the
Yeah,
same.
degree,
Yeah.
yes.
So,
I think for the water
yeah, it is also for
pressure rate, I think.
Yeah.
Different. I don't know. I guess it. For,
Okay.
and next is our grass feedings, right?
Yes.
First we are taking for this elbow but they have this male elbow, right? Male thread elbow.
Mm-hmm.
The size is 25. Yes, it's normal size. So we are used for the 20 to 32 millimeter is for our indoor lights. This is for the normal size, right?
Yes, small size indoor, used indoor, but the bigger size that is used outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, and some of our customers they will use the PPR products for air conditioner
Yeah.
and maybe some heating system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Many, I think, just I have a customer they use it for the air condition. Yeah.
Air conditioner, yeah. Before I also have a customers that he wants the PPR products for the air conditioner, but he requires that he wants us to make sure there is no leakage.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the temperature of the air conditioner is lower. Maybe it is too cold.
Oh yeah. The air conditioner they use the temperature have a requirement, I think.
Yes, and it also he requires some cotton layers to
Yeah, so
make sure
your
there
customer
is
needs
no
the temperature below which temperature?
the temperature. It means that um, like this way that if you use it in maybe 16 temperature
16.
16
16. They can we can match their connotation.
the water flow is 16, but the outside temperature is 80 degrees, so there is a max is a temperature
Different
differences.
temperature. Yeah.
So he want us to make sure that there is no leakage, no water on the pipe surface. So that's the problem.
I think that this is a high requirement for us.
Yeah, but we have to do the testing.
Yeah.
There, if you use the cotton layer, there will no water flows on the surface.
Okay.
Yeah. So he after that we have sent the certificates to him, the inner report to him. He tries Raytheon pipe and then he placed order to us.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the fact, and
next is our male adapter, right?
yes.
You can see this is for our BSP threaded and the home, also for the PPR material and size 32. Yeah, I think it's very normal for products. I think our customer needed for this, and I think they think it's very normal for them if they have purchased the experience for our products.
Yeah. So just now, this is the male adapter.
Yes.
And we have the female adapter here, so it can be combined like this way. Yes. And
so we can see for our brass. We also need the brass to connect it, right?
Yes.
If you use for PPR material to how to connect the I think it's I will say no. They cannot with this for this to connect it. No.
Yes. The size
Only for two PPR material they can connect it.
Yeah, by socket fusion machines. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So maybe we can introduce the systems to our customers. That you can see the pipe, how the pipes and the fittings they are connected very well. That is used socket fusion machine. So you can see from this kind of system, the teeth and the clamps, and also the 90-degree elbow is used most. Yeah. So you can see there are two teeth just, and for the 90-degree elbow, one,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 90-degree elbow.
And with many short length of the PPR
Pipes.
pipe.
Yeah. So how it combines? Here it is used for the circuit builder machine.
Yes, we if our customer are interested in our this
System.
system, we can custom for you
Yes,
for small size. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you are interested in how to connect the pipes and the fittings, you can leave messages and we will send you the video, or maybe we will make an experiment to you
Yes.
online. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So this is the systems of our PPR products. And later, I see also some clamps.
Clamp, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, this is a clamp. Clamp is different, right?
Yeah.
This is three type of the clamp. But they are only used for how to tighten it for our pipe, right?
Yes.
Yes, you can see for this size,
Yeah.
size.
Is it because
size.
that some of the pipe length
Yes.
is too long, so that it needs the clamps to tie it up to make sure that if the water flows, there will be no leakage,
Yes.
and the pipes won't bloom.
Yeah. And the next is our union, right?
Oh yeah.
Union is female and male union, right?
Yes.
It's different for the male adapter with union. Why? Why?
Is it because of the design?
Why? The difference for
The
this?
usage. The usage is
Yeah, I think that this for the use, this can be put down.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and this cannot. You can see this is
Okay.
one body, but this can for two pieces.
Okay, it
Yes.
can be separated.
Yes.
So if there is something wrong, or maybe the
They can use
products.
this. Is very easier how to protect the liquid or the water. They can use this. It's very easier. Yes.
Yeah, I see.
Yes.
So maybe it is if the pipes is connected, and here is maybe the pipe here is not
Not
good.
liquid.
Uh-huh.
Oh no.
Oh,
For
no?
this, if this connected, right?
Yes.
If this is
Broken, or
yeah,
maybe.
no. For this is for the broken liquid. We can put it down and
reduce.
use
Replace.
another one
Okay,
to replace it.
Uh-huh.
Yes, so
Okay, it's much easier.
it's much easier. And this, if this, they need to cut it and use other things to replace it. It need our worker more have a knowledge of the welding. I think is very important for them
Yes.
to cut it and weld it.
Yeah, that's right. And that
Also
is.
use the how to use them many times. I think.
Yes.
And next is our stop valve.
Yes, this is the stop valve, and the bulb color.
Yes, bulb color and off and on, right?
Yeah.
You can see for this is for the off and on, and you can see for this is a plus, and this is the female T, right?
Female T. Yeah.
You can see, right? And this is the stop. So why they can connect it to brass to connect, right? For the female, this is for male, right? So they can connect easier, right?
Yeah. And it is more useful. Go on.
And next is our ball valve, right?
Yeah.
This is for the double
Baba.
ball valve,
Yeah.
right?
Welcome our new friends to
And
come to our
it's
live
very
show.
heavy. For the stop valve, I think this is more heavy than the stop valve.
Yes. So that is the bulk of our PPR products.
Yes.
And later, Josh, I want to ask you that how do you think about the PPR products? What's the advantages of this kind of material?
Yes, and
The advantages.
advantage, right?
Yeah.
And the lightweight, and we can have a good heat resistance for for about 75 centigrade.
Yes.
And they also have a good long
Long lasting, you mean it can be
Long
used
lasting,
more
yeah.
longer than
yeah.
than other products, right?
Yes.
Yes, and also just now you mentioned about the good heat resistance. It can bear 75 degrees. So that is not the same like HDP products because HDP that is used for cold water only.
Yes.
Yeah, but for PPR products, it can be used for the hot water.
Yeah.
Yeah, maximum is 75 degree.
Yes.
Yeah, and the southern temperature can bear 95 degree. Yeah, just southern temperature.
Yes, and
Yeah.
also PPR products recyclability. It's very good for our environment, right?
Yeah, and it is very greenable.
Yes.
Yeah, just like its color.
Yes.
Yeah, it is greenable and it makes you feel energetic. Yeah, and also there is low pipe resistance, and also the most important thing is that if you purchase one products to one manufacturer,
Yes.
yeah, the quality is very stable and make the price it will be very competitive.
Yes.
Yeah, because it is fully equipped by our rehome pipe. Yeah, because we can offer not only offer pipes but also fittings.
Yes.
That is the main advantages of the PPR products. So if our customer you have some other opinions, leave messages. Okay, we can have a discussion.
Yes. Discussion. Yes.
Yeah, actually, I think it's quite important to learn something from our customers.
Yes.
Yeah.
And well, our PPR material also have our Rehome brand reputation, right? And we have a 2 years quality guarantee and 70 years life warranty, right?
Yes.
And also we have an advantage for our outstanding sales and the service team. And also we have a free samples available. And when the buyer afford the cost, it can be reduced for the first order. Yes, and we are also just I have said for the 100% raw material rights.
Yes.
For the South Korea, from the South Korea or from Dubai, right?
Yeah, that's right. So regarding to the quality, I think that is not just saying that our quality is excellent. I think our customers they not buy it. So later next we will test the weight of our products to all of you. Yes. So
First I will take for the open the machine.
yes.
Yes, and now we are testing for the 0.
Mhm.
And first is our elbow for the 20 millimeter.
Yeah, it is 45-degree elbow. So
Yes.
if our customers, you have the sand on hand,
Yes.
you can test it yours with our samples together, okay? Yeah.
Yes, gross, the net weight of the 45-degree elbow is 15.7.
Yeah, 15.7.
Yes.
So is it much heavier than yours or lighter than yours? You can leave
Yes.
messages to let us know.
Okay, next is a reducer, right? 25 plus 20, yeah. As weight is 16.5 gram.
Yeah, 16.5. That is for the 25 to 20.
Yes.
Yes,
And
so that is the size.
Next is cross. Cross is 50 gram. Yes. It's the size is 25. And the next is our coupling.
This coupling is
32.
bigger. In
Yes,
bigger
32.
size, that is 32.
The weight is 27.8.
70.8.
Yes, and the next is our elbow.
Yeah, it's 90-degree and the size is
32.
32.
Is
Okay.
the net weight is 45.8.
Yeah, 45.8 gram. So is it the same with you? Yeah.
The next is 32, and the cap. And
Yes.
the weight is 20 gram.
Yeah, 20 gram.
And the next is our T.
Yeah, it's the equal T.
Equal T is 20, I think it's 20 size, and the weight is 23.3. Yes.
23.3. And just now we tested that is the PBR fittings in all plastic.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the equal T. And the next we will test it the
Brass.
brass. Okay.
And the next is our
Welcome our new friends. Come to our
male-
live show.
male union.
Here is Sandy.
Yes. This
And
is George.
Yeah.
And
We are testing the
weight
weight
of the
our
PPR
PPR
fittings.
fittings.
Yes. And the next is our male union, right? And for the size is, for the weight is 104.9.
Yes. Yes.
0.9. And the next is our male adapter. Yes, for the 86.3 gram.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, next is a female union. Yes, it's 160 gram, right?
Yeah. The size is their
So
size only.
20.
Yeah, it's 20. And the pressure rate is PN25. PN20. That's 2.5. Yeah.
And the next is our stop wall.
Stop ball.
Yeah, stop wall is 204 gram.
Yes. Welcome our new friends. Come to our live show.
Yes.
Hey, Sandy.
Here's George.
Yeah, we're talking about we're testing our PBR fittings weight, and
Yes.
if you have some fittings that needs to test it with us, you can leave messages and let us know. We will test it back for you. Okay? Yeah. And the next, this is the female coupling.
Yes, female coupling is 63.6 gram.
63.6 gram, and the size is DN32.
Okay, next is our
Adapter.
elbow.
No, 90-degree
elbow. Male elbow is 25, and the weight is 111.1.
Wow, it's too heavy. Yeah, so I think that's all for the weight.
Yes.
Yeah, and if our customer, if you are interested in other products, you can leave messages and we will test it for you. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, and here that's all for the PPR part.
Yes. PPR
Yeah.
part.
So if our customers, if you have any questions, leave messages and we will get back to you soon. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And then next, George and Lawrence will introduce HDP products to all of you.
So we just clean the desk for
Yeah,
the
we will clean
PPR.
the desk for you, and I will see you next time.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, just I will talk for the name of the PPR fittings, like normal things like unequal reducing T, and the 45-degree elbow, and the cancel, and the 90-degree elbow, and the 50-degree T, and the male thread T, and the reducing copy, and the threaded elbow, male threaded elbow, and the female threaded copy, and the male threaded copy, and the screw end, and the female threaded elbow, and the disc, and the male threaded elbow with this, and the male threaded union, female threaded union, and the unequal elbow, just the way I say, and the next is the braid. The PPR or plastic union, and the expansion pipe clamp, and the PPR flange adapter, and the all plastic flange, and the stop valve, and the reducing T, PPR double valve, and the PPR flat pipe clamp, and the T-type clamp, and the female threaded T, and the union. And just it's very unusual fittings, like I will skip for it. And the next is the male single and valve, and the female single and valve, and also like flat pipe clamp, and repairing stick, and saddle, and pipe cutter, and welding machine is very important. Okay.
Hello everyone.
Yes.
This is Lawrence.
Yes. My colleague Lawrence will introduce for the. I will with him for introduce for our HDP products. Okay.
Yes, thanks for your introduction about our PPR pipe and fitting with your colleague Sandy.
Yes.
So this part we will talk about the HDP pipes and fittings.
Yes.
So after last section, you must be know about PPR. So I have a question for you.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between the PPR and HDP in several aspects? You can give some details to our audience.
For the PPR products and PE,
Yes.
the difference. Why?
Yes.
Okay. For the color,
Yes.
different.
It's
right?
it's obviously different.
Yes, and the next is the temperature of the PPR. Also, the welding is different type of the difference.
Yeah, let's
One part like our PPR, but
Okay.
Another.
you
difference.
give us many parts about the difference. So let's find out in this.
Okay. You can see this is the thing for the PPR and the HDP. This is for the socket copy. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is one, and different. I will just to for this one is our this one is our butt welding fittings. This is different for our socket fusion fittings.
So I can stand out two types of connection for the
Yes.
HP,
Yes.
including socket and the butt fusion.
Yes. I only have these 2 or 3 different for the
Yes.
part.
Also, it's also include another connection, electric fusion.
Yes, electric fusion. Yes, electric fusion fitting like
Yes.
this. They are also the welding is like the socket fusion.
So in summary,
Yes.
the PE include all the connection.
Yeah.
So they are very useful in each part.
Yeah.
So look at the table. We present the fitting, so we can introduce one by one to our audience.
Yeah. Okay. First is our socket. This is for our copying, right?
Yeah.
And the size is 25.
Yes, I give the
yes.
close side.
And for the pressure it is SDR11 for the PN16. Yes, and the size is 25, just as I said. And PE material also marking.
Yes, as George mentioned, the specification of fittings was marked on the surface of fittings, so it's easy to recognize the grid.
Yes, and next is our 45 elbow. Yes, it's also for the size on it. You can see the 25 and 45-degree elbow and PE material. Yes, it's very easy. Yes, you can take a look.
You can see the fitting I hold on, and it's very similar with PPR fittings. You can see the size and the material. It's 25 millimeter, and we're using the PE material. Did you see clearly?
I think it's very clear.
Yeah.
And next is our reducing coupling. Yeah, and the size is 32 plus 25 and P material as SDI11. Yes, you can see.
Yeah.
See it?
So
and they are also like our PPR.
Yeah.
Yes. And next is our T.
It's called equal T.
Yes,
and
equal T.
The size is 25 millimeter.
Yes. And 90-degree elbow is also simple. I think it's easy for the normal fittings, right?
Yes, it's also 25 millimeter.
Yes.
So they can connect with each other.
Yeah, also can. Yes, PE material with PE material, they can connect it. Yeah. And the next is our brass fittings. You can see they can see female elbow, right? Also for the size is 20, 25, yeah, 25, and the P material and SDI11.
Yeah, I think this one is very special because we introduced all plastic fittings.
Yeah.
Look at this fitting. So why I should say it's special because they combine with metal parts, you know. Except the plastic material, we also using the metal. You can see it's shiny.
Yes. I think the quality is good.
Yeah, we also can do the testing about the weight.
Yes, and next is our male
Yes,
elbow, right?
this is offset thread.
You can see they can also connect it with the brass, right?
Yeah.
For the same size male and female, right?
So when I connect like that, you will leak. You will leak.
Yes, you also will need a tap to
So we need
connect. Yes, white color.
Yes, to
make sure the water liquid. Yeah. And tap is very important in our project and also our indoor.
Yes, I saw this part is very useful because it can connect the.
Just like I said for the socket fusion, right?
Yeah.
You can see for the PP fittings also need this tap to prevent the water liquid.
Okay, and we also can connect the different material like thread brass.
Thread brass. If you have a steel brass, steel, you can also with this brass threads. If they can male and the female, the size is the same.
Yes.
And also the threaded BSP is a BSP.
Yes, make sure the BSP type.
If we have inquiry, you must to remark it to our customer to confirm it for the BSP.
Yes.
We are use the BSP.
So
BSP is
BSP stand for?
British. Yes, British. Yeah. BSP is British standard. Yeah.
So another one is American standard.
Yeah. MPT is American standard.
Yeah. So it's very can quickly connect here with the other.
Yes. And next is our male adapter, right? Next is fitting is male adapter, right?
Yeah, they are using the same design for this fitting.
Yes.
I think it's very easy to know which kind of fittings.
Yes.
Because for the big sizes, there are many types involved. So if you have interest in it, we can send more details about our big size fittings, but we don't display it on the table.
Yes, heavier, I think, yes. And next is our union, right? Male union and male adapter with different, right? Just with Miss Sandy to distinguish why this one is good for this, better than this. Yeah.
It's flexible fittings to install your piping system.
Yeah. And our P pipe are flexible, I think soft pipe, and they can roll it, right? We have many 100 per row, 200 per row, and 300 per row, right? We can custom for our customer, right?
So this part is can workable to take out.
Yeah.
When something
wrong, something wrong, we can
take out and change the new
one. With short time. Yes, but this is we need a cut, need a welding, need use many time to waste. I think waste the time to let this system work good.
Yeah, it always depends on your project request.
Yes. In big project, I think many customers will choose this.
Yes, we really recommend these fittings when you install your project.
Yes. And this is a female. Yes.
Yeah. So they are using the same technology or to install this fitting.
Yes. They have many O-ring in it, and take the liquid, right?
So it prevent from leaking.
Yes, yes. And next is our T, right? Filial T and male T, right? And the size is 25, right? And our how to distinguish the good quality or not, you can check the growth rate of the feedings.
Yeah. I think the good quality is represents another way, but we are using the 100% raw material.
Yeah, 100% raw material. Yes.
To the same thread for the PE, right?
Yes, but the thickness of the PPI is more thicker
I
than
understand.
PP. Yes.
So next we will show you the fitting types. Yes, we forget this.
Yes,
major
P pipe. Yes, and also is very softable for the PD pipe, right? And just I can see for 100 meter per hour, 200, but PPR cannot. Yes, and our P pipe for water supply use the 4 blue line of it, right?
This is a major difference.
This meaning for the water supply line, right? And if we use the drainage, they have no blue line, right?
Yeah, I take
a look.
The PPR so you can see the difference between some obviously. This is PPR and this is HP.
Yes.
So we can see the color and the chip and the printing.
Also, you can check the thickness. Also different.
When I touch these pipes, I can feel they also have some difference.
Yes.
When I touch the PPR, it's feel very smooth, right? Yes, and this part is feels different. Yes. Can you describe it?
I can't.
Yeah, maybe it's a chance we'll give you.
Yes, and our P material is I think we also use 100%, right?
Yes.
And P material P pipe also like the like PPR pipe using marking. Yes, of our information for the size, for the thickness, for the pressure rate, for the standard, for the production time. Yes.
Yes, you mentioned the standard and the size.
Also have a Reho brand or other customer you needed brand, right? We can support.
So I think the P is widely used in project.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes. For the big size, you mean, right?
So which size range we can supply?
Okay. For the size for the PE material, PE pipe products for PE pipe we can for the 16 millimeter to 1,600.
So this is very large size.
Yes,
you can imagine
the size is about the adult of the height.
So you can cross the fittings.
Yes. And the next for the PPI, also the size range. Also, I need the emphasis for the size is 20 millimeter to 160 millimeter.
Yes, I can understand the.
So we are needing use the small size indoor for the PPI products, and for outside of the door we can use the P material, right? But must be to know for the temperature, we are also used for the cold water for PE.
Yeah, so
Pipe
the
and fittings.
PE can only resist cold
Yes.
low
yes,
temperature.
Yes. Yes.
So if we transfer the hot water, so which choice we perform?
What?
Hot water. So how should I
PPR.
choose? So yeah, for the hot water we must be choose PPR pipe. They have this performance to resist the high temperature.
Yes. And next is our fittings for the butt welding.
Yes.
Butt welding. What's the difference for the butt welding? Welding fittings.
You mean the connection and the
Size.
and the perfusion difference.
Yeah.
There's my knowledge of the perfusion fittings. They are using the perfusion connection to connect each other.
For we are just code the size is out diameter, right? Not the inner diameter.
Yeah. Yeah.
For
For example, the salt fusion, it means the size we refer point to the inner size.
Yes.
Diameter.
Yes.
So the perfusion we also measure the outside the diameter.
Yes.
So this is very obviously different.
Yes. And for the bottom fusion fittings is different for the size. I think it's for the big size we are used for the bottom welding fusion fittings.
I also checked the size before. Normally it's the size about 63 millimeter.
Yes.
They are all belonging to the perfusion.
Yes.
Class.
Yes, you are right. You are very. I think you are very good for the size for the butt welding. How to distinguish for the socket.
But also there are some exception because we have also the 63 millimeter socket fusion.
Yes. Also we have. If our customer you need to confirm it.
Yes.
If they like use butt fusion fittings or they are socket fusion fittings. I think for us I think it's the same. I think how to connect they are connected very well to fusion fitting and butt fusion fitting, right?
So I think we should give more guidance and solution to a customer if they don't figure out socket fusion or butt fusion.
So we can give your suggestion.
Yes.
Suggested for the how to solve their problems, right? For the project, right?
Yeah.
We are very professional for solution.
You are more professional.
Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah. After you mentioned the pipe size is largest we can reach is 1,200 millimeter. Yeah. So it means the fitting can reach this biggest size.
Yes. And for the butt fusion fitting, I want to say in butt fusion fittings, what's the products we don't have for the butt fusion fittings?
Yeah. You mentioned this is very serious problem.
Yeah.
I encountered before.
But we can solve this problem.
Yes.
If our project customer need copy.
Yes, this is hard to resolve for me.
Yeah.
Is when you say increase but fusion coupling, I don't know how to find the way to give this products. The coupling is all the size is belonging to the socket fusion.
Yes.
So this I need to tend to help for you.
Yeah. So I will just suggest for the electrical fusion coupling, right?
So can you give me some detail why you turn to the electric fusion fitting?
Because for the size 110, below 110, we can use the socket fusion fitting, right? But if customer need more than 100 110 millimeter, how to solve their problem? They need a copy, but they don't know. But fusion fitting, they don't have copy these products.
I know the company.
So we need the electrical fusion copy, because I think it's very easy for our project customer to connect the pipe. It's easy. Also like the socket fusion welding for the electrical fusion.
Yes, I think the company is very,
because it's very big size. Use many worker to connect the two pipe. I think with a big power to connect these two pipe, two big size pipe. So we need electrical fusion is very easy. You can take this and use the two tape, right? You can take this, put this two pipe and use this two tip, and with our electrical fusion machine to weld it for about little time. They can melt this and you can't put and melting.
So
it's very, I think it's very easy for our worker, and easier for our worker to take good